Have you ever wondered why, despite all your efforts, you seem to always attract financial struggles? It might surprise you to know that there are certain habits you practice before bed that could be pulling you into a cycle of poverty. You might be unknowingly sabotaging your chances of attracting wealth and abundance into your life. Today, we will uncover 4 common bedtime routines that drain the energy of money, distance wealth, and invite poverty. I bet you're engaging in at least one of these habits without even realizing it. Many people go to bed with unresolved issues, harbor negative thoughts about their job, stress over financial shortages, or fill their minds with distressing news. These habits can severely impact your energy and vibration, leading to negative financial outcomes. In this video, I'll guide you on how to break free from these detrimental patterns and set a new positive tone for your life. Imagine ending your day with a calm mind filled with positive thoughts and a sense of peace. By making a few simple changes to your bedtime routine, you can transform your financial reality. Stay with me until the end of this video, and you'll learn how to shift your energy and attract the prosperity you deserve. 1. Avoiding going to sleep right after a disagreement. There are 4 things you must avoid, and are probably doing them before bedtime because they drain away the energy of money, distance wealth, and attract poverty into your life. I would bet that all of you watching this video are doing at least one of these 4 things that are negatively influencing your bedtime routine and affecting your energy and vibration with money. It's attracting negative things to your finances every day, and you could avoid it because these are 4 simple things. Unfortunately, many times we are unaware of what we are doing wrong, and that's why bad things keep happening to us. So I'm here to guide you and give you simple steps to adjust how you feel. This can help you create a new and positive tone in your life. Don't just see these words as ideas. Try them out for yourself. Now, let's talk about the first step on this journey: avoiding going to sleep right after a disagreement. If that happens when you argue with someone or have a tough day, there might be times when you don't get a chance to solve the problem with that person. You end up going to bed with the argument still on your mind, and it can disturb your sleep. Many of us have experienced this. Going to sleep with the leftovers of an argument lingering in our thoughts. Imagine going to sleep after a negative argument. You spend a long time sleeping with that bad energy, and the result is waking up the next day feeling uneasy. It's clear that our thoughts before sleep have a big impact on how we feel overall. On the other hand, there's a strong force called the energy of abundance. You've probably felt it when everything is going well. Life feels good and you're happy. This positive force helps you succeed and makes your life feel abundant and flourishing. Now think about the consequences of going to bed with the weight of an unresolved argument and negative feelings. It doesn't just affect personal harmony, it seeps into different parts of life, impacting both your financial situation and relationships. Jesus of Nazareth also stressed the importance of forgiving before sleeping. These teachings go beyond time and culture, revealing a universal truth about the impact of our last thoughts. To make sure your journey into dreams is good, break the negative energy pattern. Change your thoughts before bedtime. Go outside to a garden or park. Let the earth touch your bare feet. Look at the big sky and think about the positive parts of your life. Feel the small change in your thoughts. This isn't just advice. It's a timeless idea telling us to understand how much our thoughts affect our well-being. Before you go into the world of dreams, make sure your last thoughts are positive. By doing this, you set the stage for a good night's sleep and a path towards financial success. 2. Letting work worries bother you at night. When the day ends, don't let work worries bother you at night. I talked about this in a recent video, reminding you to keep your peace when you go to bed. Think about how you make a living. If you hate your job or unhappy and complain about your boss and colleagues, even the money you make feels wrong. Negative vibes from a job you dislike affect everything connected to it. So before you go to sleep, clear the bad energy from work and see it as a special place. If you're unhappy with your job, make a plan to change it. Maybe learn new things. Remember, big changes happen when you decide to change. Like I talked about in The Secret. I don't know if you remember the documentary The Secret, where they talk about the law of attraction. There was a man who was a comedian and gay, and they made fun of him a lot in his monologues. He never succeeded. They threw potatoes at him, booed him, he said. But when he changed his self-image, suddenly the bullies disappeared and all the monologues he did were successful. People laughed a lot, applauded, etc. What this means is that when you change, everything changes. So work problems, first of all, for the reasons I mentioned before, never go to sleep with those work problems. Think about this. If you don't have a job right now and are struggling to find one, it might be because bad vibes from your past jobs are still hanging around. Here's an example to help you understand. Just like you can't sell a house if you're not happy living in it, it's hard to find job satisfaction when you're carrying baggage from your old jobs. The key is to leave your past work in a way that you'd like to find it again. That's how you attract good opportunities. For many people, the problem is that they haven't made peace with their past jobs, and it often comes with some pain. To get over this hurdle, you need to clear out the negative energy from your work, no matter if you have a job right now or not. It's like a change that invites positive vibes into your professional life. Also, it's crucial to go to bed without stressing about work stuff. Don't think too much about not having enough or owing money before bedtime, because as the Bible says, those who already have will get more, and those without might lose what little they have. Energy is like a magnet that attracts more of what you're tuned into. If you're always thinking about not having enough, that's what you'll get. But if you focus on having plenty, you'll attract more good things. This isn't just something I read or heard, it's what I've lived through. I'm speaking from experience, not just book knowledge. 3. Stressing about money and shortages before bedtime. So the third thing you should not do is stress about money and shortages before bedtime. Try to go to sleep with a calm mind. Like the ancient philosophers Plato and Socrates suggested, the moments before sleep are like a blank canvas where you can imagine a future without money troubles. Imagine yourself counting money, feeling the bills in your hands and imagining the smell of success. Feel the freedom of having enough money to follow your dreams and settle your debts. Make this a nightly habit and watch your life transform from lacking to flourishing. Remember, this truth holds. Successful and rich people enjoy peace, while stress, worry, and chaos often stick around for those dealing with poverty. Choose the path of abundance by thinking positively and calming your mind before sleep to bring what you want into your life. Start by feeling like you already have it even before it shows up in the real world. Think of it as feeling and living those dreams in your mind before they happen in your daily life. 4. Watching TV or the news before bedtime. Now, the fourth thing to avoid before bedtime is watching TV or news. Understand that the news is there to grab your attention for ads and to keep the TV industry going. They focus on things that get people's attention, not necessarily the good stuff. Think about driving on the highway. What makes people stop more, a beautiful sunrise or an accident? It's usually an accident, because our minds are wired to pay attention to problems. TV shows know this, so they often feature tragedies. If you go to sleep with that in your mind, skip horror movies too, as they can give you nightmares. Have you ever had trouble sleeping after watching a TV show where something happened? Let me know in the comments. If you wake up thinking about something other than your dreams, it might mean things aren't going well. Ask yourself, what did you wake up thinking about today? If it's not your dreams, adjust your focus, because attracting good things is about paying attention to them. I hope this makes you think. If you want more guidance, check out the ebooks in the description below. I trust this video has given you ideas and help. Until next time, subscribe, listen to your inner voice, stay positive, and create a life that matches your dreams. Big changes don't need a set schedule. Start today. 5. Overeating or eating unhealthy foods before bed. Many of us have a habit of eating late-night snacks before bed, often choosing unhealthy options that can have negative effects on both our physical and mental well-being. Consuming heavy, sugary or fatty foods right before sleep can disturb your digestion, leading to discomfort and poor sleep quality. When your body is focused on digesting a heavy meal, it can't fully relax and restore itself during the night. This not only affects your health, but also your energy levels and mood, which are crucial for maintaining a positive mindset towards money and abundance. Imagine lying in bed with a full stomach, feeling sluggish and uncomfortable. Your sleep is restless and you wake up feeling tired and irritable. This state of discomfort carries over into your day, impacting your productivity and your ability to focus on your goals. It creates a cycle where your body and mind are constantly strained, leaving little room for the positive energy needed to attract wealth. In contrast, consider ending your day with a light, nutritious meal that leaves you feeling satisfied but not overly full. Your body can then enter a state of rest more easily, allowing for deep, restorative sleep. This sets the tone for a refreshed and energized start to your day, where you can approach your tasks with clarity and enthusiasm. It's a simple change, but it can have profound effects on your overall well-being and your ability to attract abundance. To break the habit of late-night overeating, try setting a specific time to stop eating each evening. Focus on having balanced meals throughout the day so that you're not hungry before bed. If you do need a snack, choose something light and healthy like a piece of fruit or a small handful of nuts. This small adjustment can help you sleep better and feel more positive, setting the stage for financial success. Remember, your body is a temple, and how you treat it affects every aspect of your life. By nurturing your body with healthy food and allowing it to rest properly, you create a strong foundation for attracting wealth and abundance. It's a holistic approach that combines physical health with a positive mindset, paving the way for a prosperous future. 6. Neglecting a bedtime ritual for relaxation. Another common mistake that can attract poverty is neglecting to establish a bedtime ritual for relaxation. Many people underestimate the power of a consistent bedtime routine that helps to calm the mind and prepare the body for restful sleep. Without such a ritual, you might find yourself tossing and turning, unable to fall asleep or waking up frequently during the night. This disrupts your sleep cycle and leaves you feeling drained and unfocused the next day. Think about the last time you had a truly restful night's sleep. You likely woke up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle the day with a positive mindset. Now imagine incorporating a simple bedtime ritual into your nightly routine that helps you achieve that level of rest consistently. This could be as simple as reading a book, meditating, practicing deep breathing exercises, or even taking a warm bath. These activities help to signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. When you consistently follow a bedtime ritual, you create a sense of stability and calm in your life. This calmness extends into your waking hours, helping you to approach your day with a clear and focused mind. You're better able to handle challenges and stress, which is essential for maintaining a positive outlook on your financial situation. A relaxed mind is more open to new ideas and opportunities, which can lead to increased wealth and abundance. Moreover, incorporating a spiritual element into your bedtime ritual can amplify its benefits. This could involve saying a prayer, practicing gratitude, or visualizing your financial goals. By connecting with your spiritual self, you align your energy with the vibration of abundance, making it easier to attract wealth into your life. To get started, choose a few activities that resonate with you and commit to practicing them every night. Consistency is key, so make your bedtime ritual a non-negotiable part of your routine. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your sleep quality and overall well-being, which will positively impact your financial situation. 7. Holding on to negative thoughts and emotions. Holding on to negative thoughts and emotions before bed can be a major barrier to attracting wealth and abundance into your life. When you go to bed with a mind full of worries, anger, or sadness, you carry these negative energies into your sleep. This not only disrupts your rest, but also reinforces a cycle of negativity that can be difficult to break. Imagine going to bed with your mind racing, replaying the events of the day and focusing on everything that went wrong. Your sleep is likely to be restless, filled with troubling dreams, and you wake up feeling just as stressed and anxious as you did the night before. This ongoing stress can impact your health, your relationships, and your ability to think clearly and make sound financial decisions. On the other hand, consider the impact of going to bed with a calm and peaceful mind. By releasing negative thoughts and emotions before sleep, you allow your mind and body to rest fully, leading to more restorative sleep. This can significantly improve your mood and energy levels, helping you to approach each day with a positive mindset and a readiness to embrace opportunities for wealth and success. To release negative thoughts and emotions, try incorporating practices such as journaling, meditation, or mindfulness into your bedtime routine. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help to clear your mind and gain perspective. Meditation and mindfulness can help you to let go of the day's stresses and focus on the present moment. Another powerful tool is the practice of gratitude. Before bed, take a few moments to reflect on the positive aspects of your day and express gratitude for them. This simple practice can shift your focus from what went wrong to what went right. helping to cultivate a positive and abundant mindset. Remember, your thoughts have a powerful impact on your reality. By consciously choosing to release negativity and embrace positivity, you set the stage for attracting wealth and abundance into your life. It's a small change that can have a profound impact on your financial well-being and overall quality of life. 8. Ignoring the power of affirmations. Finally, ignoring the power of affirmations can be a missed opportunity to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to help reprogram your mind and shift your beliefs. By focusing on positive affirmations before bed, you can influence your subconscious mind and set the stage for a more abundant and prosperous life. Imagine ending your day by repeating affirmations such as "I am worthy of wealth and abundance, money flows easily and effortlessly into my life," or "I am open to receiving all the wealth life has to offer." These statements may seem simple, but they have the power to transform your mindset and attract positive energy into your life. When you ignore the power of affirmations, you miss out on an opportunity to harness your mind's potential to create the reality you desire. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. But positive affirmations can help to counteract these negative thoughts and reinforce a mindset of abundance. To incorporate affirmations into your bedtime routine, choose a few statements that resonate with you and repeat them to yourself as you prepare for sleep. You can say them out loud, write them down, or even create a recording that you listen to as you drift off to sleep. The key is to be consistent and truly believe in the power of your words. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and your financial situation. Positive affirmations can help to boost your confidence, increase your motivation, and attract new opportunities for wealth and success. They are a simple yet powerful tool that can make a significant difference in your life. In conclusion, by avoiding these detrimental bedtime habits and incorporating positive practices such as affirmations, you can create a powerful shift in your energy and mindset. This will not only improve your sleep and overall well-being, but also attract wealth and abundance into your life. Remember, the power to change your financial reality lies in your hands. Start making these changes today and watch your life transform.